Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Wednesday morning, a very interesting day on the financial market. Hope you're having a profitable week because today is going to be very volatile day, and highly recommend you to follow until the end of the week. So, quick recap about today's events. Core CPI in US, 1:30 GMT, crude oil inventories, 3:30 GMT. Federal Reserve interest rate decision, 7 p.m. GMT. This is gonna be the event of the day, of course, and after that, 30 minutes later, press conference. Tomorrow, just quickly to say which events we have. We have interest rate decision in Swiss. We have interest rate decision in Euro. About the Euro PPI for the US dollar, 1:30 GMT. Governor Paulus is gonna speak. Bank of Canada, 5:30. So till Friday, we're gonna have a lot of major economic events. So let's see what's going on the chart. Let's see how this is affecting. Simply preparing the major currency pairs for an impact. Euro US dollar in front of us. We spoke about drop. We spoke about short opportunities. We took some, and as you can see, we got a very big drop a couple of days ago. After that slight recovery, and right now the price is trying to push the euro to the downside, which actually is my direction. I am looking for a short on Euro US dollar. GBP US, I'm still waiting for correction for the GBP US, and I think we're gonna see correction at 1.30. We saw a very big breakout of the 130s, round number, significant resistance, quite obvious one. And right now, as you can see, the price is trying to push. Yesterday just tried to push the price going lower, and I think in the upcoming days we're gonna see continuation of this correction. We have UK general election tomorrow, which is for sure is gonna affect the Great British Pound. Unfortunately, nobody knows how it's gonna affect the GBP. Everybody is saying how it's gonna affect it, but my personal opinion, nobody have an idea how it's gonna be affected the Great British Pound. So that's why if you take any trades on the Great British Pound, just be a little bit more conservative. Be careful with the Great British Pound. Don't get greedy. Australian US dollar, what do we see? Testing the support 0.6809, and right now is bouncing back to the upside. We had a discussion last time about the drop and even breakout and reaching 0.6769. It seems the Australian dollar right now is a little bit slow. It's a matter of time to see. For now, I'm just gonna step aside. I'm gonna wait for the Australian dollar. And New Zealand is quite similar. The only difference is that the New Zealand is growing up much faster, much more than the Australian. And of course, we can expect the drop of the New Zealand dollar. This is actually correction against this breakout here. We can expect test of 0.6451 until the end of the week or middle of next week. It's going to be interesting. USD Canadian going directly to the crude oil, holding the highs 59, around 59, holding the support also 58.82. So reached last week 59.83. My long-term forecast, it's not even necessary to mention, it's 60.63, and for now we can see another correction, even like the previous few corrections, 1.5 to $2 dollars per barrel. But if it holds this, if we see breakout to 59.83, 60.50, 61, let's see where exactly it's going to go. But simply I'm bullish on the crude oil, so simply means bearish on the USD Canadian. We had a talk about this as well. Broken 1.32 round number, after that get back above it, and right now, as you can see, it's trying to push the USD Canadian going down. And we can see definitely continuation of the USD CAD bearish price action, bearish movement. But I think for now is just be a little bit careful, because as you can see, just the direction is not very clear. We can even say that it's going in a very big range since August 2019, couple of months, and but my long-term target is just to see 1.30 on USD Canadian, but it's gonna take time to see that levels. USD Swiss, okay, 0.9842, quite clear price action, drop from the parity level, bounce back. Well, on the previous video, we had a talk about reaching 0.9842, even breaking out this support. For now, I couldn't consider that as a false breakout of USD Swiss, not yet at least. So we can see today, tomorrow, the Federal Reserve, we have many major events on the US dollar, so this is gonna give a boost to the Swiss franc and the USD for sure. And we can see very strong breakout to the downside of the USD Swiss. I'm watching closely USD Swiss to take trade, short bearish trade, short sell. USD Japanese. So as you can see, 108.48 holding the support levels. We got a strong momentum. In the long term, this trend is very bearish. As you can see, Japanese yen is considered a safe haven currency, so which simply means in the long term we can see USD Japanese going down, and talk about very significant movements, very significant drops of the USD Japanese. For now, I'm watching the support 108.84 to take a short trades on this level, and to reach 107.88 next support, or 107 round number, but we are still far away from it. 170 pips is, I would say, a lot, and to the end of the week it's just gonna be hard to see these levels, but not impossible next week, definitely. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comments below, share us and like us on the social medias. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Have a very profitable week. Definitely follow the economic calendar, because this is gonna boost the market. It's gonna give us a lot of volatility, a lot of good opportunities. Focus, of course, follow all the rules, and make a lot of money till Friday, because we're definitely gonna have very good opportunities. Enjoy the week, have fun.